Imagine a world where AI takes the reins of crypto development. What would that mean for the digital currency landscape? If this scenario unfolded, it would shake the foundations of the crypto market. Investors, exchanges, banks, and governments would all feel the impact. The key question arises, how would the world react? For this to happen, significant developments must occur. Large institutions might adopt certain technologies. Economic shifts could drive people towards cryptocurrency. Major technological breakthroughs in speed or security could enhance adoption. Governments might change regulations, either supporting or restricting growth. In the first 24 hours, chaos would reign. Exchanges would face record traffic. Investors would react differently. Some would panic, while others might buy in. News channels would broadcast the turmoil, pushing crypto into the global spotlight. If AI developed cryptocurrencies, major coins would react differently. Bitcoin might emerge as a safe haven, while Ethereum sees increased smart contract activity. However, smaller projects could struggle, emphasizing the winners and losers in this volatile market. Governments would likely respond quickly. Central banks may evaluate threats to financial stability and consider new regulations. Traditional banks would face a crucial choice: compete, integrate, or partner with crypto technology. Similar events have transformed the crypto landscape before. The Mt. Gox collapse and the FTX bankruptcy demonstrate crypto's resilience amid turmoil. Each shock serves as a reminder of the industry's potential fragility. So, could AI truly take over crypto development? The answer isn't clear. Supporters cite growing adoption and technology improvements, while skeptics warn of possible regulatory limitations. The future of cryptocurrency depends on various factors. The implications of AI replacing crypto developers extend beyond currency values. This shift could redefine global finance, banking systems, and trends in technology and ownership. What do you think would happen if AI replaced crypto developers? Would it be beneficial for crypto or a global economic risk? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this analysis intriguing, like the video and subscribe. Let me know which scenario you'd like to explore next. Thank you for watching.